Downloader works just like a web browser, so we can type in any URL. The website we're going to go to, which is https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. Or I have a short code for you, so much easier. So we can just push OK twice, and it brings up a keyboard. And we're just going to type in the short code, which is 370178. Pretty simple. Then we hit go. Are you looking for movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports? I got two great apps for you I bet you've never heard of and that you can't find in the Amazon App Store. Follow along and I'll show you how I do this on my device. So first thing, we got to come over to the magnifying glass, pull down into the search field. We're going to download one program called Downloader. We just find the D, and Downloader comes right up here. Brings up an orange icon. We can click on that, and then it gives us the ability to get it, download it, and install it. So we can just use our select button and automatically download it and put it on to your Amazon Fire TV Stick device. Please share this with a friend. I'm sure you know someone who would like to get these applications on their device. Now before we open it, hit the home button on our remote. We need to change one little option. Head all the way down to the settings icon. Mine's a little race car driver. We can come down, have My Fire TV. We're going to go in there. It may be down here, and it may be called My Device if you have an older Fire TV stick. So just highlight it, click on it, and it brings up a sub menu here. So I have About and then Developer Options. You may not have developer options listed. Don't worry if you don't. Go up, highlight About, click on it once, and then highlight. Mine says Fire TV Stick. You may say 4K or something different. But the top option here, use your remote, click it about 7 to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then down on the bottom it says, no need, you're already a developer, so congratulations, welcome to Developer Options. We can back out of this menu, back into where it says About, highlight Developer Options, click on it. Here we can turn ADB debugging on, and then come down to Install Unknown Apps. Older applications may just have an on and off part here. Click on it, look for the application we want to enable, which is Downloader. Turn that on. This enables Downloader to sideload applications onto our Amazon Fire TV Stick that you can't find in the Amazon App Store. We can go back to the home screen. Let's find these applications. Head all the way to the 3 squares plus sign, select it. The last app that we've downloaded ends up at the very bottom of our list. So as we can tell, we got IP and we have Downloader. So if we use our 3-line button on our remote, we got a little sub menu, and it says like move to the front. We can do the same with Downloader. Pull it down, move to the front. This line here is our home page shortcuts menu. We have these up front and center for us to use. Let's open Downloader. Yes, allow Downloader to access photos, media files on our device. And a little quick start guide, we can say OK. Downloader works just like a web browser, so we can type in any URL. The website we're going to go to, which is https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. Or I have a short code for you, so much easier. So we can just push OK twice, and it brings up a keyboard. And we're just going to type in the short code, which is 370178. Pretty simple. Then we hit go. And Downloader will automatically redirect Led by the Unknown's downloads page for us to get these awesome applications. Once the redirect is completed and the page is loaded up, use our 3-line button on our remote, click it, and here we can add this page to our favorites. And then we hit save. And now over here, you can just click the favorites and you automatically load the page without having to type in the short code, without having to type in the whole URL. It makes things nice and simple. My friend, please get out your phone, scan this QR code, protect your online activity today. Get IP Vanish. It is still on its Black Friday deal. It is about a cup of coffee a month. Can't get any cheaper than that. It has a 30-day money-back guarantee, and it will work with all your devices within your ecosystem. So movies, TV shows, live TV is what we're looking for. Let's head down. So the latest movies and TV shows. Get you a couple new ones here. Movies and TV shows. Click on it. Small, tiny little application for us to download. Down in the bottom right, we can just click install. And the app starts downloading and installing to our device. Now that the installation is done, we can just highlight done and click on it. And then we need to delete the installation file as we no longer need it taking up space on our device. So delete. And here, the second one, sports, live TV on T. Click install. And then just highlight done and click on it. Delete the installation file as we no longer need it taking up space on our device. Those are great two apps for us to use. I got one more I think you might like. So we can click on Kodi. We'll click install. And then down, highlight done, and click on it. Delete the installation file and delete. 3 great apps for us to use. Let's go to the home screen. Let's see what we got. So head all the way down to the 3 squares plus sign, our apps and games section. And we can come down and we can do the 3-line button on our remote again. Move to the front. T, move to the front. S, move to the front. Hit the home button, and here we do have them up front and center. Let's check out Kodi. Continue. Allow. All right. Hit the settings. Go down to system. While we're in system, come down to add-ons. Click on it, and here, slide over and come down to unknown sources. Turn that on. We just jailbroke Kodi. Didn't jailbreak anything. Say allow or yes. We're good. Back out 1. We highlight File Manager. Add source. Click in there once. We have now a keyboard. Follow this URL to the T. So https:// we have a semicolon. In order to get a colon, come down here to the little shift key button. Boom, colon, // and then I'll have it up here for you to view, but there is what we need to type in. And we'll click OK. Here's our name for our application. Click OK. Now we back out 1. Come to add-ons. Click on it. Install. Highlight the name we have it named and its repository. Installed. And we go from repository. Find the name. And come down to program. Number 1, our wizard. We can click install. May do some funky things. Once you get this screen, we're good to go. We can just hit OK on our remote. Say yes. I would suggest the free. Select on it. Say continue. Please share this with a friend. I thank you very much for your support. I thank you very much for the comments. And I thank you very much for watching my videos. I know a lot of them can be very repetitive. 90% of the people who watch my videos are brand new, have never seen them before. So my friend, I know maybe it's repeat, and repeat. I am trying to get new content out as much as I can. I actually got one of these to help. Want to be the same crap, just different box? Give me a thumbs up, would you? Helps out with the algorithm, so I'm told. So it could take 5 minutes, whatever. Go take a break, let it run it, let it do its thing. Now that it's done what it needs to do, it would like to now close Kodi. So we just push OK. That's it, my friend. All good. Enjoy. Happy streaming. And thank you so much for watching. Peace. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick needs, tips and tricks, and how-tos.